Welcome everyone, this is Tupilo channel and today we're gonna be talking about why Tesla will be the next company worth $1 trillion. So grab your pillows, watch and relax. Let's talk about Teslas today. Tesla is worth around 300 billions and the share price is around $1,500. It currently has 3 operating gigafactories. 2 of them produce vehicles and 1 produce batteries. There are 2 in US and 1 in China. The current factories produce an average of 150,000 cars per year. Tesla currently has 4 models for sale, which are the S, 3, X, and Y. That's Tesla today. Now, let's start looking a little forward. Tesla right now is expanding the factory in Shanghai to increase production to 500,000 cars per year, and especially the production of the Model Y, which is the one that is going to start selling massively. We have a gigafactory under construction in Berlin with the aim of produce 500,000 cars per year, and the next gigafactory is in Texas or Tulsa. Here, we must bear in mind that not only Tesla is building as many factories as it can, but at a lower price. For example, the gigafactory in Shanghai had a 65% lower cost of around 2 billion and it was finished in 10 months, compared to the 5 billion previous gigafactory. It should be noted that Tesla has 8 billion in cash, ready for this type of investment. Let's talk about the future vehicles where we have already confirmed, which is the Tesla Cybertruck that in its first week had 200,000 reservations that can be made with a deposit of $100, and currently it is estimated that there are around 650,000 reservations, which will begin to produce the next year probably in the new gigafactory of US. Also, Tesla has the Semi, that is an electric truck with an autonomy of between 300 and 500 miles, with a price of $150,000 to $200,000. And that promises to bring savings in the entire life of the vehicle of $200,000 compared to one of the internal combustion. There is also the Tesla Roadster with a price of $200,000 and that reaches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds, which is crazy, and a range of 620 miles. Besides, the release of a compact is rumored at a price of approximately $20,000. All these new models to come out and some others that they can reveal give Tesla a greater coverage in the market since it's covering more vehicle segments. Now, let's talk about software, where Tesla without a doubt has years of advantage over any other automaker. Autonomous driving is a fact, and sooner or later it will come, and when that happens, new business models are open for Tesla, such as robotaxis, in which they plan that each owner of a Tesla car use their car to make a kind of Uber without a driver and then receive income. From this business, Tesla has said that it plans to collect 25% of the income made by each Tesla, and promises that each Tesla owner could generate $30,000 per year. Tesla has said it expects to have 1 million cars in the robotaxi network. This is gonna be high profit segment, charging that 25%, and for the driver that 75% represents more than what an Uber driver could currently earn, with the difference that you don't even have to drive. Let's do a simple calculation. If each driver generates $40,000 in total, where $30,000 will be for the driver as Tesla has proposed, this leaves us with $10,000 for Tesla per car. We assume a fleet of 1 million Teslas, which is practically the amount of Tesla that today is circulating. This gives us an income for Tesla of $10 billion per year. It should be noted that Tesla can license its products and software so that other companies can use it and don't have to spend the years and money that Tesla has invested to reach the point where they are, which will bring to Tesla an income. Another business model in terms of software that Tesla could exploit is infotainment. Since the car is driven by itself, it's not necessary to keep an eye on the road. The central screen of the Tesla cars becomes a source of entertainment to watch Netflix, Hulu, play games, or listen music, and Tesla can charge a small portion of this subscription to service providers. Let's talk about the batteries. Recently, Tesla announced that in September, the Battery Day is going to be celebrated, and what everyone is waiting for is that Tesla announced the battery of 1 million miles. This will be a before and after in the history of batteries, since currently the batteries of the Teslas have a useful life between 300,000 and 500,000 miles, so that 1 million will be double. Tesla is expected to announce that the cost of the battery is below $100 per kilowatt, which is the point where the electric car is definitely better than a combustion car, which would change the history of the electric car apart from allowing Tesla to manufacture cheaper cars, so stay tuned for September. Now let's look at another Tesla segment, that is solar energy, where they currently have solar roofs that are installed in homes and contribute to having clean energy. There are also the power walls that are to store energy at times that electricity is cheaper and to store energy accumulated by solar panels. Another product is the mega packs with the same function as the power walls but on a much larger scale. Tesla has a production of 1,000 panels per week, which is enough to cover the current demand, and this segment is expected to have a similar growth to the vehicle sector. Besides, it's rumored that Tesla wants to build heating, ventilation, and cooling systems that will help Tesla to have an ecosystem of products that will go from the car and the solar panel to an efficient ventilation system in the house. Based on all these arguments, we can begin to understand why investment funds as well known as AKR investing, having Tesla with a target price of up to $22,000 by 2024. If Tesla managed to lower costs, build factories efficiently, and achieve full autonomy. If the stock is worth $1,500 today and the target is $22,000, we realize that it's a revaluation of almost 15 times, which will give to Tesla a total capitalization of approximately $4.5 trillion. But even when all these goals are not achieved and Tesla doesn't reach to $4.5 trillion, it is very likely to reach $1 trillion, and more importantly, remember that Tesla is the company that is changing the way we have lived, exhausting natural resources and achieving a better way of sustainability on Earth. Well, that's all for today. If this video was useful to you, please subscribe, comment, leave a like, and turn on the bell. See you in the next video.